Brushing is the easiest way to keep your hats looking fresh and lasting longer. Today I'll show you how to do it properly, step by step. First, let's talk brushes. Not all are safe for hats. Shoe and sneaker brushes are usually too stiff and can leave fabrics looking fuzzy, even with light pressure. The Captician hat brush is made just for hats, soft enough to protect the fabric, firm enough to lift dust and dirt. Now for the technique, always brush away from the hat using firm, even strokes. Avoid scrubbing as it can cause fading or damage to the fibres. Alright, let's walk through the steps together. Start by folding back the sweatband. Dust and grime often build up here. Hold your hat with the inside facing you, then brush each crown panel. We're going to focus on brushing behind the sweatband. Start at one point and brush all the way around the sweatband. Once it's clean, fold it back into place and brush all the way around the outside. There's a big improvement already, but check out what's come off so far. Next, move on to the underside of the visor. A quick brush here finishes off the inside of your hat. Now we're onto the outside of the crown. Begin at the top button and brush down each panel. Using a mannequin head can help with stability, but holding the hat works just as well. The crease where the crown meets the brim often gets overlooked, but it traps lots of dust, so give that a few careful passes. And finally the visor. This area picks up the most dirt from handling. Brush it thoroughly, then give the hat a once over to catch anything you may have missed. And that's it, a clean hat inside and out. Regular brushing will keep your hats looking their best and lasting longer. If you found this helpful, like and follow for more hat care tips and drop any questions in the comments below. See you next time.